Sairam students, today in social science we will do map activity and I'll give you some assignment questions. So be ready with your book and a pen and note down the questions that I am going to give you for your assignment as well as your map practice book. Now let's start with the history map. Children, if you look at this map is about some important archaeological sites. In history lesson number 2, from hunting gathering to growing crops. And in this map you can see Paleolithic sites, Neolithic sites, megalithic sites, early village and modern cities. And this map is in your history textbook on page number 13. And it is in your map book, that is on page number 38. Children, now let us learn how to locate these sites on the outline map of India with appropriate symbols. Now children, let's do this question. On the outline map of India, locate and label the following. A. Burzahom. B. Hansgi. Children, while locating the places on the map, we have to keep in mind few important things. That is, we have to first locate the place and then we have to draw an arrow mark. And above that, we have to write the question that is given. Now, let's begin. Now, first question was A. Burzahom. So, we are going to locate where is Burzahom. Burzahom is in present day Kashmir. So, you are going to locate that place. And then you are going to draw an arrow mark and you will write the question, that is A. Burzahom, and in bracket you have to mention which site it is, Paleolithic, megalithic or Neolithic site. So Burzahom is a Neolithic site. So you are going to write it down in the bracket. Now let's locate the next place, that is Hansgi. Hansgi is in Karnataka. So we are going to mark that place. And then we are going to draw an arrow mark. Then above that we will write it as B. Hansgi, and in the bracket we will mention it as Paleolithic site. Now children, let us see again how we have located these places. That is, we located Burzahom, that is a Neolithic site in present day Kashmir, and Hansgi, which is a Paleolithic site in Karnataka. I hope children you have understood how to locate the places on the map. Children, while locating these places, we have to see the question numbers properly. That is, whether it is given as alphabets A, B, C, D, or it is given as numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or sometimes it may be given as small Roman numbers. So we have to follow the question numbers correctly and do it on the map properly. Now let's see the geography diagram. This diagram is about revolution of the earth and seasons. And this diagram, it is in your geography textbook in lesson number 3, motions of the earth, on page number 19. Children, you have to draw this diagram neatly. You have to show the summer solstice, winter solstice and equinox. Now let me give you some assignment questions that you have to do. First question is of history. Map. On the outline map of India, locate and label the following. A. Mehergarh. B. Bhimbetka. C. Inamgaon. D. Brahmagiri. E. Karnool Caves. So children, for history you have to do these questions. You have to locate and label these 5 questions. Children, you can do this assignment in the map practice book. That is the practice pages that are given at the end of this book, which starts from page number 64. So you can do it on any one page. And for geography, you have to draw the diagram. That is, you have to draw a neat labeled diagram of revolution of the earth and seasons. Children, you have to draw and label this diagram neatly. You can do it in the assignment sheet or in the foolscape paper or in any page of your notebook. And on each page, you are going to mention your details. That is, you are going to write your name and your roll number. Roll number you can write of your previous class. And you will write your standard and division. Children, very important, you have to also mention your SID number. So, once your work is done, you are going to scan those pages and you are going to convert it into the PDF form and submit it on 14th August to your respective class teacher before 8 p.m. on her WhatsApp number. I hope all the instructions are clear to you. So children, you have to follow the instructions that are given to you in this video as well as the instructions that are given for the iScanner app that is forwarded in your class group. Till then, goodbye and take care.